How you doing?
Good morning, sir.
Morning. So they already got somebody in the back of the car here. I'm not sure what for. We'll figure it out in a second. What they're...
Yeah, they're gonna talk to her right now.
So he just said to somebody they're gonna talk to her right now. So I don't know if it's something that maybe whatchamacallit, domestic.
How's your Sunday coming along, sir?
Pretty good, sir.
Pretty good. That's good. How was
Yeah.
Thanksgiving?
Yeah, it was good.
That's good.
Yeah.
No Black Friday shopping?
Oh, no. Nah. He's being cordial. But you know, I seen him put somebody in the back of the car, so I always record. It's I don't know where the other police car is though. I don't know if there's, I don't know if they have 2 cops or 3 cops here. They do have somebody in the back of the car. I can't see. But yeah, whenever you get a chance, you always stop. Over here's Medic Engine 553. They're probably going to be turning here, coming down 5th Street. See what's going on. And he's talking to somebody at the station or dispatch, I don't know. So I don't know if it's domestic or what. He's on the phone with somebody. We'll see if they let him out of the car. They have somebody detained in the back, so I record just to kind of let everybody know I'm here and that's being captured. And you know, if we need to post it, we can. Okay, so he's obviously talking to somebody on the phone. Oh, they're coming here, that's why. So yeah, this very well could be something that we need to record. I'm not sure what happened here. This could very well be something that needs to be recorded. You know what I mean? The other side. We'll go to the other side over here. So we're kind of not in everybody's way. But at the same time, we can still kind of see what's going on. Even better. So somebody named Robert, of course. Well, we're even closer here. So he's telling what happened. So I don't know if they picked him up somewhere, or sounds like he might be refusing medical. But if he's sick or something, there you go. So they're gonna get him out. Oh yeah, he looks maybe dehydrated or something. So it's gonna be a 14 pole unit. So I'm not sure why he's in handcuffs. They're on the phone with somebody. They say we'll talk to her. They said, yeah, we're talking to her. So I don't know who they were talking about. They're gonna take the handcuffs off him. See, and again, I don't know if it's because the camera's here or not. But hopefully the camera is the reason for that. It may not have been. But you never know. When the cameras are here, people want to be a little nicer. So he seems pretty upset. But we're here at 5th and Kaipa Boulevard. I wonder if that's his stuff right there. Looks like a Sam Brown. Maybe maybe he had a belt that he put stuff on. So maybe they'll let him go with the medics here, but again they had him in handcuffs. I heard one of the deputies say, well, we're talking to her. So I don't know who her was. Exactly. But, you know, it's my way of giving back to the community a little bit. It's just to document. You know, I'm not saying these cops are lying. You never know. Maybe this guy might say something, well, the cops did this, and that's why I'm like this. And the camera will kind of tell how he was treated. You know, show how he was treated professionally and so forth. So I'm not really on anyone's side per se. I'm not saying, well, this side is, you know, wrong and this side's right, or this side's more right, or this side's more wrong. I'm just documenting, and I wish, and this is the truth, I wish I didn't have to do this. And I mean that. But after what I saw done to Elijah McClain, and I saw the video, after I heard George Floyd, who was a very, you know, he was a POS, sure, but he shouldn't have had to beg an officer for water. You know, officer, please, water, I can't breathe, I need water. And the cop just sits there with a smug smile. Come on, you know. And there's more. I could go on and on. You know, the cops in Mesa, Arizona. The guy on this cell phone was messaging somebody. He didn't really want to talk to them, so they jumped on him and beat his ass. Tyrone Nichols beat to death. Why? Because he ran from the cops. Okay, he shouldn't have ran. He should have stayed there. But is that a reason to beat him to death? So it gets in your conscience. It gets in your soul. And you just can't. So they're putting like sensors on him and stuff. Ace Hardware, that's where we go for a lot of our stuff. But they're putting sensors on him right now. Checking out his what do they call it? Levels and stuff, I guess. Blood pressure, heart rate. Basically doing a triage. So they'll do a triage. They'll figure out what it is. They asked him if he wants to go to the hospital. He said something, and they said, we'll worry about that later. I was trying to hear how old he was. Yeah, here comes the ambulance, so they're going to go ahead and take care of him. Okay, I think they asked him if he wanted water. So we have AMR coming. So hopefully he'll go. Maybe he's just dehydrated. You know, the homeless or I'm sorry, residentially challenged. They get out here and they get dehydrated. They don't get a lot of protein, and their health starts suffering. Oh, you missed it. And they don't get a lot of protein, and they suffer for it. So this fire guy was looking right at me. I think he may have been looking down the street. I don't know. It looked like he made eye contact. But I'm just kind of panning, give you guys the area instead of just zoning in on one spot. Here comes AMR finally. Yeah, I'm just kind of panning the area so you guys kind of know what's going on. So AMR is 97. So hopefully they do take him to the hospital, you know, get him some help. But engine 553 is off of 5th Street. And normally their station 53 or station 3 is down at the end of this street right here, all the way down at the corner of Wildwood Canyon. Down Bryant, that's why I recorded him. I was kind of like, you know. And this girl I think knows him. So I think that's the same one I've seen around town. She's pretty cool. And a lot of them are. I mean, there are some of the residentially challenged here that they're just down on their luck, man. It's unfortunate, and they're just trying to do what they can, what they have. That's why I was a little upset on Thanksgiving Day when those cops stopped for the people just sitting there, and then they gave them a citation and whatnot and told them to scram. I thought, well, all they're doing is sitting there, you know. It really kind of upset me. But there are some residentially challenged, and yeah, they do steal. We've had them steal from our neighborhood. We've caught them busting open people's gas tank caps, gas tank doors and stuff, ripping off the gas tank lid. So yeah, she's questioning, I think, why he's here and why. Did she say psycho? I think she's talking about me recording. So she's saying somebody's crazy or something. So I guess they had maybe a dispute or an argument with someone. And maybe that's why they detained him, to ask him about the dispute. They call it a 415. So maybe it was a 415, maybe. And it's sad too, because some of the residents have no respect for the residentially challenged here. Instead of, you know, asking them, hey, what's up, how you doing, they end up calling the cops and saying, I want this person taken away. And sometimes all they're doing is standing around, like, okay, how you doing, you know? So it really is sad. It really is sad sometimes how the homeless are treated in this city, you know, with such disrespect. And I'm not talking about cops and firemen and so forth. I'm talking about sometimes the residents treat them like they're garbage out in front of their house. And sometimes all they're doing is walking by, or maybe they stop to get something to eat on the side of the road and get a drink of water. Well, I don't want them in front of my house. They're on the street, you know? Little lady walking by. So the fireman came by to look around. I think he was trying to listen to what I was saying, so that's why I was talking a little louder. Cal Fire. Yeah, he walked by, he walked around me a little bit. I think he was looking into my camera, see what I was recording, trying to listen to me. But I did mean that spiel that I gave. I mean, sometimes the residentially challenged are treated with disrespect. And that's another reason I'm recording. You know, it's just to document, just make sure everybody knows, hey, you're on camera. Everybody needs to treat everybody with respect, you know? Not just Cal Fire and the police department, but you know, if they're treating you with respect, you know, return the respect. Although I don't know why he was in handcuffs or in the back of the car. Unless, like I said, maybe because she was saying something about he was crazy, or the crazy man down there. And she said, so maybe somebody got angry, a Karen or something, or a Ken, called the police on him. He was walking down the street, and boom, they got him. Come here, you know. So it sounds like he's gonna be okay. All right, they're gonna take off.
Sir, have a good day.
You too. Hey, you have a good one. You guys stay safe.
I don't see you before Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, you too. Gotta be nice to him, you know?
Did you guys give me my stuff?
Yeah, I got it right here.
Yeah. All right.
All right.